And of course the coffee's too hot to drink, but still, I'm not in any rush. It's just gone 8 o'clock. This wood is basically there to turn into charcoal. Well, charcoal-ish. Basically, you heat it up, it dries it out even more than it already is, and that way you have some nice bits to start your fire next time. And just a case of, before I go, make sure it's all completely out and pile up stuff for next time underneath the tree so that it won't get wet when it rains. I've now got, I think, 3 little stockpiles of charcoal. I haven't used any of it. I just keep it for emergencies. For, you know, for the time when I do want to do a big cook, as opposed to just heating up some noodles and coffee. I mean, let's face it, noodles is not really cooking. It's just boiling water. Same with the coffee, I'm just boiling the water up with the stuff in there. I mean, basically because I make it as a nice strength, after having my quarter releaser, my second quarter releaser, I just top it up with water, and that way I get normal strength coffee. Time to go and chill.